a woman is single for a long time, like 2 years, 3 years or more, it ain't because something's wrong with her, most likely. More than likely it's because she's intelligent. What I'm saying is intelligent women, they have the smallest dating pool because they have the least amount of tolerance for BS. Like an intelligent woman cannot stomach a man who can't teach her anything. An intelligent woman can't tolerate a man that can't mentally stimulate her or that she has to explain every little thing to. An intelligent woman, she's the most likely to be insulted by a man who thinks that he can play in her face like she's dumb. Then add to the fact that, yes, she's intelligent, so therefore she gathers information and she acts on it more effectively than most, which means she's not going to continue repeating the same bad relationship over and over again with a different man for years on end. She'd just rather be single. They're also not easily rattled by that whole, oh, you gonna die alone. You gonna be single until you die, because they're smart enough to understand it's better to be happy until you die alone than to live miserably every single day feeling like you're dying inside.
Wow, wow, wow. Felt. Jesus. Wow, that last sentence, I felt that. I felt that. Did you feel that? I felt that.
I never feel it.
I felt it, Taris.
I don't like these absolute
Felt it.
kinds of conclusions. Because maybe not intentionally, but inherently what it suggests is that dumb women are the ones that are in, or maybe not so intelligent, are the ones that are in relationships, and I'm uncomfortable with that.
And that some intelligent women
I'm uncomfortable with that.
are less likely to be with.
I would say maybe some career-oriented women are likely to be single.
Because they're more discerning.
Because I wouldn't even say more discerning. Their goals are different. Mm-hmm. So a career-oriented woman may be more focused on going to school. Maybe more you're working later hours. You don't have the time. So maybe what he's saying is she's not going to take someone. So she probably don't have the time because she's busy. So she's not going to entertain conversations and work because she have other things focusing on. But I wouldn't necessarily say intelligent. I would have to find another word.
It's almost like you equate intelligence with standards. And I have to tell you folks, I mean, I heard what he said and I hear what Harris is saying. I know some very intelligent women who have ended up in some really bad relationships because at the core of it, guys, intelligent, not so intelligent, fool, all of us yearn for love. All of us yearn for companionship. And that oftentimes leads us, even when we know better as intelligent people, to make bad decisions, to make ourselves feel good in a particular moment. So that's how we feel. What does this article say?
James Michael Sama is an award-winning Boston-based blogger. And so he's given 6 reasons why smart, beautiful women are more likely to be single. It's interesting that these are perspectives from men, but I move on. 1, they embrace their freedom. Most people think that you need to have someone in order to be happy, but these women know that the biggest happiness you can experience lies within you. I do not agree.
Me neither.
I do not agree.
Me neither. I mean, yes, you need the happiness within you, but all of us want. Am I wrong in saying all of us want love?
You are not wrong.
What do we want, love?
Me know only about smart single women who are saying, why me can't find somebody and why can't I? And you know, man, if I had to do it over, I'd probably make different decisions. I probably wouldn't be so picky as I was. So that's Mr. Sarma. They would rather be single than in a toxic relationship. Yeah, a lot of women would rather be single than in a toxic relationship. I don't think because you're in a toxic relationship makes you not smart.
Right. As I was saying, I know some very intelligent women are in some really messy stuff.
Very bad.
Very
toxic.
Bad. Because you don't make relationship decisions with your head. It's not about being smart. You make them with your heart.
Listen,
the heart wants what it wants.
In a relationship, and you say, no man, a big successful woman like that,
Absolutely, Harris.
That's what I'm saying. The term intelligent.
Spot on. They don't have time for mind games. They have self-love, self-respect. They won't engage in draining mind games. They've got enough activities to keep them occupied. Again, I don't believe that. Should that be the case? Sure. Do I agree? No. They know what they want. Don't we all? Or do we always get what we want? That's what people say.
This is to suggest that the men who are engaging in the mind games might be a little bit not as smart. I've seen some men play Pythagoras have nutted on them. Some theorems that even smart women will say, oh my gosh, I can't believe I didn't see that coming, or I can't believe that happened. So, I don't know, so far I'm not convinced. They know what they want.
Yes, you can know what you want, but you don't always get what you want. You don't always get what you want.
Says they won't change their mind when it comes to their happiness. We'll talk about that a little bit later on, because, they know what they want. I find that sometimes I say to people, okay, so you know what you want in a relationship. Do you know what you are bringing to a relationship? Because yes, you know what you want. What are you providing? Because the gentleman also knows what he wants.
Reciprocity.
Yeah. So it's you alone in a relationship. This is what I want from a relationship. What are you bringing to the relationship? So somebody else can say, this is what I want from someone, and you have it. Or just you alone, where you want.
Yeah, relation.
That's why you're single.
Relation boat, as Nev would say. They aren't easy to impress. They respect a man who knows what he wants and who is ready to work hard to win it. Yeah. I mean,
I will.
That's not bad. Not bad. And the last one.
Settle for less than they deserve.
They don't settle for less than. I've seen many smart women settle for way less. I have settled for less than I deserve, and I consider myself a pretty smart lady. So I tell you, when it comes to relationships, you can't really use, you got to use your noggin, but because your heart is so critical and crucial to the equation, it's hard sometimes to balance both for the best outcome. That's where the lessons come in, eh?
Yeah. All right, so the sad reason why smart women stay single for much longer is James Michael Sama. But the 6 reasons is by Tina Navarro. Okay.
Got it.
All right.
Okay.
Are you intelligent and single? Work it out.
Whoa, we work it out. What is the maths?
Work it out.
Tell me now. Tutorial. Give me the quick version. You have a minute.
The quick version?
Yeah. I'm single and intelligent. I don't want to be single anymore. What do I do?
You're not going to find the person locked up in your house. That's the first thing. In order you have to go out and try to meet people.
Outside?
Yes, a lot of people stay home or they go to work. Unless you're looking for a husband at your workplace, you're not going to find somebody unless you go out.
Okay.
And meet people.
I can take that one. What's the next one?
Sit down and work out, what am I bringing to the table, and not just what is the table. So this is what I want, but what am I also going to bring to the relationship?
One more.
You know what you're bringing to the relationship?
Yeah.
What is the end goal of the relationship?
I have that too.
Am I just dating? Am I hoping to get married? Very important.
Okay. But go outside first.
Yes. You have to go outside. I already cap it and the pussy I got left.
Daniel says, we 8 days, see. Ramgalam says, Simone, The man you're going to meet is going to be under your bed, and that's the one you don't want. Oh, there's going to be somebody for breaking or something.
That's a thief.
You need to go outside. All right, so Harry says so and Ramgalam says so. I'm going to work on it. Thanks for the advice. Appreciate it. She got me. Soon come.